I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get scripts on Roblox Mobile for the Strongest Battlegrounds. It's crucial to understand that Roblox's mobile platform is built with strong security to ensure fair play for everyone. Trying to use external scripts or exploits goes against Roblox's rules, and this can lead to serious consequences for your account. True, legitimate gameplay on mobile devices focuses on skill and strategy, not on gaining an unfair edge through unauthorized means. Exploiting on mobile platforms like Roblox is generally not possible due to several technical and security reasons. Mobile operating systems, such as iOS and Android, employ strict sandboxing, which means applications are isolated and cannot easily interfere with each other. Furthermore, Roblox actively updates its security measures to identify and prevent any unauthorized software. Attempting to use third-party tools also carries significant risks, potentially exposing your device to harmful malware and compromising your personal data. It's important to be aware of the serious consequences that come with violating Roblox's terms of service. Engaging in unauthorized activities, such as using exploits, can lead to your account being temporarily suspended or even permanently banned. This means all your hard-earned progress, valuable in-game items, and any Robux you possess would be lost forever. Such actions also negatively impact the entire game community, undermining the spirit of fair competition and enjoyment for everyone. Instead of seeking unauthorized methods, the best way to enjoy the strongest battlegrounds is by focusing on legitimate gameplay. Dedicate your time to honing your skills, understanding game mechanics, and developing effective strategies within the game's intended design. Participate in official events and updates to enhance your experience authentically. By playing fairly and reporting any suspicious activity, you contribute to a positive and secure environment for all players, ensuring everyone can have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.